Hey there. Welcome back to Wealthwise Media, your go-to spot for mastering smart income strategies. Today, how to turn writing into recurring income with YouTube. What if your words could make you money every single month on autopilot? YouTube isn't just for influencers anymore. Behind every great video is a powerful script, and someone got paid to write it. That could be you. As a YouTube content writer, you can collaborate with growing creators, monetize your own channel with smart scripts, or build passive income from affiliate promos and digital products. Here's the strategy. Pick a profitable niche like finance or productivity. Create value-driven scripts that solve real problems. Use SEO tools like VidIQ to make your scripts searchable. You're not just writing words, you're writing income-generating assets. Here's how you earn on repeat. Add revenue from monetized creators, affiliate links and scripts, digital product promotions, and your own YouTube channel. Take Sarah. She started writing scripts on weekends. Within 6 months, 3 recurring clients, her own channel, and complete lifestyle freedom. It's not just about money. It's about confidence, creativity, and quality of life. That's the real win. Ready to turn your writing into true wealth? Hit subscribe and the bell icon. At Wealthwise Media, we break down strategies that grow your income and freedom. Drop a comment. What would you do with an extra $1,000 a month from YouTube writing? Thanks for watching. Remember, wealth isn't just earned, it's written.